Let's open this Chaos Rising Booster Bundle. I'm so excited. Let's see if we can pull the Greninja. Alright. I know the main chase is the Greninja, but I just want to pull something cool. Let's get you ripping. Qwilfish and a Mega Floette EX. AZ's Tranquility, Keldeo, Phantom, and a Full Art Mega Greninja EX. Let's go, baby! Mareep, and a Magnetic Energy Hollow. And the last card, Gourgeist EX. Alright, last pack magic. So far, haven't pulled anything interesting. Let's see if I can pull something cool. Oh my gosh. And the last card is a Beedrill EX Full Art.